Hi guys, welcome back to Targets Trading. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the trade that we took and the profits we made, and also we will discuss about the market conditions as well. So before we carry on with the video, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to Targets Trading and please do hit that notification bell icon so that you get the notifications while we upload the videos. Okay, so let's not wait much time guys, so we'll start off with a video. Okay, so firstly we'll discuss about the market conditions. So as you can see here, the market was in a indecisive state in the morning. Okay, so in the morning session the market was in indecision state. It was there was movement on the both sides as well. There was a positive movement and there was as well as the negative movement in the market. So we actually saw a positive movement in a particular stock and the trend was also positive. So we took a long position and made a decent profit for this particular. As you can see here, so you can see that the market was in an indecisive state in the morning. Okay, you can see here the market opened negative and it stayed see the market opened negative and it went to positive and again came back to negative. So this was happening in the market, then again the market started moving towards the positive zone. As you can see here, the market is in the positive zone as of now. Okay, you can see now that the market is almost 0.40% above, and you can see all the other indices as well. Okay, so Nifty Metal and other stocks. So in this particular market, we actually chose only few stocks today to trade, that is Burger King, Godrej Properties, Wipro and Vedanta. So out of this, we actually traded on Vedanta today. As you can see here, you can see the chart guys. So in the morning session, the stock was in a positive directions. Okay, so you can see here in the first few minutes the market was negative and then turned positive, again turned negative. So actually we waited for the right opportunity to be taken and we actually took that particular trade and made a decent profit on this particular stock, that is Vedanta. So VEDL, this is the stock that we made a trade on today. Okay, and you can see here the stock went all the way up till 147. Okay, and we took the position at, you can see here guys, 143.55 and we made a profit of 0.3%. Okay, 0.3% is what we take out of this, and the market looked like it was a scalping day and we had to scalp the targets. Okay, so we did not keep much target, but unexpectedly, or as you all know that the market is never predictable. You cannot predict the market, what's going to happen. So as you can see here, the market went all the way up to 147. That is the high that was made, and we bought it at 143 somewhere around here. So you can see here guys, we brought it at somewhere around 143 something like that. So this is where we bought and we actually made a decent profit on this particular stock, and the stock went all the way up to 147. So that is what we wanted. So we wanted to achieve our targets. We achieved the targets within 1 minute of buying the stock. So when the stock broke the high and went rapidly to the target, and we did not have to wait much for the target to be achieved. So as you can see here, this is where we bought, I guess. So 143.55 somewhere around we brought it, and it went in a one spike it went, and we made a decent profit on this particular stock, and the stock went all the way up to 147 and made a decent profit for today as well. So for more updates on these profits, and if you want to know how we trade, you please do watch all the videos of our channel and please do subscribe to Targets Trading. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day guys. Please do subscribe to Targets Trading.